A translucent fish seen gliding along the ocean floor is bringing a lot of attention to our part of the world. Scientists on board the Schmidt Ocean Institute's vessel, the Falkor, captured this snailfish on video while conducting research at the Sirena Deep in the Marianas Trench.
What makes it so interesting is it was found in over 8,000 meters of water, so it's down there pretty deep.
In fact, University of Guam professor Terry Donaldson says this is the deepest a vertebrate has ever been found. The species manages to survive in an extremely cold environment with a pressure in excess of 11,000 pounds per square inch.
Its body construction appears to be, an adaptation to the extreme pressure that they have. It's a lot larger than what they're normally used to seeing down at that depth. But it's very willowy. It sort of moves like a flying carpet going in different directions.
Discoveries such as this one not only tell us about species survivability in the depths of the sea, but Dr. Donaldson says it also teaches us what life is possible in other places.
Even if you're looking at microbial things, bacteria for instance, you may find different ways that bacteria have to live in those extreme environments. And this informs us about a lot of other things, both about life in the oceans, life in high altitude areas where they have to make similar adaptations going the other way, so maybe there's a bacteria on top of Mount Everest, or life on another planet, possibly Mars, or one of the moons that are hanging out about around Jupiter.
But this new discovery, as profound as it is, doesn't even have a name yet, as it can't officially be identified as a new species until there is a specimen in hand.
Believe me, they're trying to get it, but it's a problem that they're working on. They're trying to figure out a way to essentially capture this fish and bring it up. But you have to bring it up in a way that it doesn't fall apart by the time it gets to the surface, and that's a tricky bit.
The research expedition was co-led by scientists Jeff Drazen and Patty Fryer of the University of Hawaii. Betsy Brown, PNC News.